Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to download and install the AIB mobile banking app on your smartphone so you can manage your finances easily and securely. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store and tap on the search icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type AIB mobile and hit search. Look for the official app developed by Allied Irish Banks Public Limited. It should have the recognizable AIB logo and tap on it. Then tap the install button on Android or get on iPhone. Wait a few moments when the app downloads and installs onto your device. Once installed, tap open to launch the app for the first time. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the AIB mobile banking app. Now you're ready to check balances, transfer money, pay bills, and much more right from your phone. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.